Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to attempt to make this summer top, which I have been seeing all over my social media, and apparently it is supposed to be very easy even if you are a beginner, and I'm a beginner. So let's make. First of all, you need the measurements. So there are a few measurements that you have to take before. So under bust till your waist, that's first measurement. That's the height of the top. Then the circumference of the under bust, that is the second measurement, and third is from your shoulder to your under bust, that will be multiplied by 2. So that is the third measurement. So I just realized to measure the sleeves you cannot do this. This is not going to work. So what you have to do is just put the measuring tape like this. You have to completely measure from back to front, and then I think this will give the better measurement. So this is the pattern. This is very simple, only the rectangles. The only thing that you don't know is the width of the sleeves, which is 1/4 of your bust circumference, plus you can add 7 centimeters or almost like 2.5 inches extra. And the next thing is the straps. The width of the straps is 1 inch and the length would be around 30 centimeters. And we need 4 of them. So I have this butter yellow t-shirt fabric, and this stretches really well. Let's make the bottom part first, that is from the under bust to the waist. So let's do it. So I'm gonna trim the body part. So the lower bottom part is ready. So I made 2 pieces for the bottom part because just look at this. It looks very transparent and I don't want that. So I made 2 pieces for the better coverage. So yep. So now see, it looks much better. It's not transparent at all. So I will do 2 layers. So I have cut down all the fabric pieces using the pattern. So this one is the main body piece, and like I have mentioned before, I'm making it double layered. Then up here I have the straps. I'm just going to cut these into 2 equal pieces, so I will end up with the 4 straps, and these are the sleeves. I made this double layered too because as I showed you earlier, this fabric is pretty sheer. For the sleeves, I didn't cut 2 separate pieces or anything. I just cut 1 large piece and then folded it over like this, which was way easier. Alright, let's finally start sewing. I'm going to begin with the straps because I will need them later when I will attach the sleeves. So cutting the excess fabric, and then I will flip this inside out. Step 1 is completed. I am done with the straps. I have a very strong feeling that if I do any fuck ups, these straps are going to fix it. Let's move on to step 2, and that is to sew the lower part of the top. So I will just fold them like this, and then I will stitch it here. The body is all done, so now let's move on to the sleeves. Before we do that though, grab your straps because we are going to attach those first. So I'm taking one of the sets of straps and placing it pretty close to the edge. I would say around 8 to 10 centimeters from the side. And then I'm taking the second set of straps and placing those a little farther back, about like 15 centimeters from the edge. So these are like back ties, and these are for the front ties. And then put these ties actually inside and then sew it along the edges, and you have to do the same for all these 3. Now the sleeves is sewn. I'm going to flip it right side out, and look at that. Remember how we tucked the ties inside before sewing? Now they have neatly coming out from the sides exactly where we wanted them. Okay, so far it looks quite good, to be honest, finger crossed, and I think this top is going to turn out really well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a ruching in here and in this part, and then I'll find a midpoint in the bottom part of the top. So let's do that. To create the gathering, I'm using the hand sewing method. If you want to use your sewing machine, you can do that with that method as well. I'm going to do exactly same for all the four sides. Like we are creating this effect in the front and in the back as well. So I'll be back when I'm done with all the four sides. I have finished creating the gathers on all four sides. Now grab your body piece, and then first thing you want to do is find the center point. So now this is the center, and now I'm bringing the sleeves. So you just have to keep in mind the gathers should be equal to the half of the tube, the body tube, and if it's not, then you can adjust a little bit. That's actually totally fine. So yeah, I did the exact same thing on the other side too. Now we just have to sew this on. Basically this back part goes with the back of the tube and this front part goes with the front. I hope that makes sense. It's actually way easier than it sounds. Just match everything up nicely, pin it if you want, and then sew all along the edge. Okay guys, so this is the moment of truth. I have finished showing the top and this is how it turned out, and also I did not film this part at the end. I have just serged it because I don't know, if I hem it like this and stitch it, then it might not stretch, and I don't know how else to do it. Also I serged inside to have a clean look. I cannot believe it. It turned really good, and I did not waste my time, and this is actually looking good. I'll just be back. This is crazy. I love it. Whoever had given the tutorial in the social media, I would say amazing. Thank you so much. And I love it. And you should make it too. You should definitely give this a try because this has turned out really amazing and I'm loving it. By the way, the side view is like this, so maybe it's not that secure, so maybe you want to wear something inside, like a tube top or something. This is the front, and look at the back. This is the back. So, and it's actually a bit like, it's v-neck. I mean, it's kind of deep, but I think I can handle this much. So this is it. This is how it turned out. And if you are making it for the first time, then definitely give it around 3 or 3.5 hours, 3.5 hours. And I'll tell you a few things which I would change if I make it like another piece, or like if you are making it for yourself, I would give you some recommendations. So first of all, definitely make this. It's a must have because it can really save you if you like these are like falling off like that, so it can really save you. So, and you can wear it like this as well, by the way. And then second is, I don't know how to sew the t-shirt because I did the straight stitch and it's not like stretching really well, and I really have to struggle a little bit while putting it on. So just make sure you do the zigzag stitch, not the straight stitch. That's what I figured out. I suggest you to make it a bit longer. I mean, I just made it just near my belly button, but you can do it a bit longer so that you'll have a ruching effect. And that's it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. Yeah, if you made it this far and if you like this video, please do consider to subscribe to my channel and leave your comment in the comment box below if you have any questions. Definitely reply you, and I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye.